Hello everyone. This fall, the United States faced a devastating catastrophe. Hurricane Milton, one of the fiercest storms in history, struck Florida and turned the entire state into a vast ocean of floodwaters and destruction. But just as residents began grappling with the chaos and damage left behind, an even darker threat began to emerge. With over 2 million alligators inhabiting Florida, these stealthy giants started to slip from their flooded swamps and creep into neighborhoods, invading streets and backyards. What happens when nature's ancient predators meet the modern world head-on? Join us as we dive into this unfolding nightmare, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support is crucial as we work toward our goal of 100,000 subscribers. With a bone-crushing bite force of up to 3,700 psi, Florida's alligators have a grip stronger than even the most fearsome sharks, leaving almost no chance for survival to anything unfortunate enough to be caught. Their powerful jaws aren't their only weapon. They possess a deadly skill, the infamous death roll. Once they latch onto their prey, they unleash a fierce, twisting somersault, spinning with such intensity that it disorients or even kills instantly. This ruthless move ensures their prey is quickly subdued, making any encounter with an alligator a brutal, unforgiving battle. As they now creep closer to human life, the raw power of these ancient predators is a threat no one can ignore. In the chaotic aftermath of Hurricane Milton, Florida's alligators became uninvited guests in unexpected places. Within the first week alone, over 150 sightings were reported in swimming pools, with some shocking encounters at high-end hotels, sparking a wave of fear among tourists. This sudden invasion dealt a major blow to Florida's tourism industry, causing a staggering 50% drop in revenue and leading to an estimated $300 in losses. Thousands of workers were suddenly left jobless as reservations were canceled, and Florida's popular travel destinations transformed into zones of caution. With this looming threat, the urgency to protect both residents and visitors became clear. So, what steps has the government taken to tackle this crisis and restore safety to the Sunshine State? Let us know your thoughts below. To combat the alligator invasion in Florida, the government quickly launched a strict hunting policy to control the surging population. Hundreds of licensed hunters have joined, undergoing rigorous training and background checks to ensure they're ready for the challenge. Participants must prove their skills in wildlife handling and be fit enough to navigate flooded areas, facing the tough demands of hunting these powerful predators. Armed with high-powered rifles and tranquilizer guns, they're equipped for a humane yet effective approach to each encounter. With danger lurking in every sighting, the question remains, can humans truly prevail in this battle? Join us to discover the answer. Once licensed, hunters are sent to hotspots, swamps, rivers, and flooded neighborhoods where alligator sightings are most frequent. Each team member has a unique role. Spotters rely on advanced Bushnell Forge binoculars for sharp, high-contrast views, tracking movement even through dense foliage. Shooters equipped with powerful rifles for precision aim at vital spots like the brain or spine for a swift, humane end. After each shot, hunters cautiously verify the alligator's state to avoid any prolonged suffering. With high stakes and close coordination, Each hunt prioritizes both safety and effectiveness. Thanks to this intensive hunting initiative, Florida's alligator population has been reduced by nearly 40 in just a few weeks, offering residents a renewed sense of safety and stability.
Hey buddy.
Beyond protecting the community, these hunts have sparked a surprising economic boost as the hides and meat of harvested alligators are sold to leather goods and specialty markets. For instance, one hunter recently sold a massive alligator hide to a luxury brand for thousands of dollars, proving that beyond community safety, this venture also brings vital economic benefits to local hunters and farmers. The effort has turned a crisis into a sustainable solution, bridging safety with economic. Despite the high success rate, hunting alligators comes with significant risks. Just last week, a seasoned hunter narrowly escaped after an alligator submerged and reappeared behind him, resulting in a tense face-off that required quick thinking and backup support from his team. It's a stark reminder of the dangers these hunters face each day as they protect communities from Florida's lurking giants. A like or a word of encouragement below would mean the world to these courageous individuals. Let's cheer them on and show our support in their fight to restore safety to Florida's waters.
Teeth are worn out? Yeah. That's a sign of age. So he's got some years.
Canada was once a paradise for wildlife lovers, especially those eager to meet and interact with baboons. The baboon ecotourism industry brought in around $15 million annually, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors from. But now the situation has taken a dramatic turn. With over 200,000 baboons roaming freely, these animals have become a serious threat to human life, causing unexpected chaos. Curious about the disasters these baboons have caused? Join us as we explore the unfolding crisis, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we aim for 100,000 subscribers. Your support means everything to us. With their rapid reproductive ability and remarkable adaptability, the baboon population in Canada has skyrocketed from just a few thousand to over 200,000 in only a few years. This explosive growth has caused chaos not only in people's homes but also on the roads, where baboons have become a major hazard. Their intelligence and quick movements make them unpredictable, leading to significant disruptions in traffic. In 2023 alone, over 200 traffic accidents involving baboons were reported in major Canadian cities, resulting in an astounding $19 billion in damages to residents and insurance companies. The increasing presence of these animals is not just a nuisance, it's a growing threat to public safety. Not only are baboons causing traffic accidents, but they've also grown bolder and no longer fear humans. These clever and aggressive animals are now invading residential areas, breaking into houses and even stealing food, money, and valuables.
No littering.
In one alarming case, a family in Victoria, British Columbia, found themselves in a terrifying situation when a group of baboons broke into their home. The baboons smashed through windows, ransacked the kitchen for food, and when the family tried to chase them out, they were scratched and injured.
Like an example of that. Whoa, that's a big thing.
This incident shows just how dangerous and fearless these animals have become, raising serious concerns about the safety of communities living near baboon habitats. The war between humans and baboons is no longer confined to the jungle or the wild. Simple protective measures like locking doors and installing anti-monkey nets have proven ineffective against these highly intelligent animals. Their determination and boldness force the government to take stronger actions to prevent the growing threat. The question now is what measures will finally bring this situation under control. Make a cup of tea, settle into the cozy fall air, and join us on this wild journey as we explore the extraordinary efforts to tackle the baboon invasion. You won't want to miss what's coming next. To effectively hunt baboons, the usual locations are the edges of urban areas near forests, where baboons frequently cross into human territories. The most effective hunting season is in the late summer and early autumn months when baboons are more active and easier to track. Hunters tend to prefer high-caliber rifles like the .308 Winchester, which can penetrate the thick skin of a baboon with precision. To ensure accuracy from a distance, hunters often use Tanks 42 binoculars, providing clear visuals of the baboons from afar for a quick and humane kill. Hunters aim for vital spots such as the heart or lungs, ensuring minimal suffering for the animal. Despite the tools and tactics, baboon hunting comes with significant challenges. These animals are highly intelligent, quick, and unpredictable, often moving in large groups, making it difficult to isolate a target. In one particular instance, a hunter in Alberta found himself surrounded when a group of baboons cleverly split up, ambushing him from different sides. This not only highlights their cunning, but also shows the danger of underestimating these animals, as hunters must stay vigilant and highly strategic to stay safe. Though baboon hunting is challenging, it has attracted thrill seekers and seasoned hunters eager to take on the task. In some regions, this practice has provided a financial boost to local communities, increasing income through hunting tourism and equipment sales. The money collected from these activities also helps compensate farmers for the losses baboons have caused to livestock. As word spreads, the region has become known for its baboon hunting adventures, bringing recognition and economic opportunities to local guides and businesses. The top hunters who dedicate themselves to this challenging task deserve recognition for their efforts in managing the growing baboon population. Leave a like or comment below to show your support for their bravery. When it comes to hunting organizations in Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Wildlife Conservation Foundation stands out as the most recognized group. Their mission focuses on promoting wildlife conservation and sustainable hunting practices. One of their key activities is wild donkey hunting, which has become a highlighted endeavor due to the impact these animals have on the environment. So, why do wild donkeys need to be strictly controlled in Oklahoma? Let's find the answer together. And if you're a hunting enthusiast, subscribe to the channel for the best experiences. Currently, wild donkeys have become a growing concern for Oklahomans, with their invasion frequency in cities increasing by approximately 15. This issue is particularly noticeable in counties like Logan and Canadian. invasions is often attributed to habitat disruption, leading the animals to seek food and shelter in urban areas. Their presence has sparked curiosity among locals, resulting in close contact and subsequent infections. Notably, on September 6, 2024, in Logan County, a wild donkey infected with rabies attacked a man. Fortunately, people nearby helped chase the donkey away, but the man sustained a leg injury during the incident. This emphasizes the growing danger these animals pose. So, what method has the Oklahoma Wildlife Conservation Foundation used to deal with animals that are gradually becoming invasive in Oklahoma? Hunting with a rifle remains a popular method for organized hunters because of its accuracy, range, and versatility. The most commonly used rifles are bolt-action models, like the Remington 700 or Ruger American, equipped with high-powered scopes for long-distance shots. Hunters often use additional gear such as camouflage suits, GPS trackers, and thermal imaging devices to locate prey more effectively. To increase the success rate, organizations like the Oklahoma Wildlife Conservation Foundation recommend hunting during the fall, particularly at dawn or dusk when wild donkeys are most active. This targeted approach helps hunters maximize their chances of success while adhering to seasonal. When participating in these organized hunts, hunters must follow specific guidelines, such as ensuring their group consists of the required number of members, typically 3 to 5, and only targeting wild donkeys that meet the size criteria. They must also ensure humane hunting practices are followed. The Foundation's strategies have proven effective, with hunting groups able to take down an average of 4 to 6 wild donkeys per outing. After the hunt, it is mandatory for hunters to report their results to the Oklahoma Wildlife Conservation Foundation, which then forwards the data to state wildlife agencies for analysis. This helps monitor animal populations and supports efforts to maintain ecological balance. However, to participate in wild donkey hunts in Oklahoma, hunters are required to obtain a hunting license, which costs between $50 and $100 depending on the specific area and hunting season. However, hunters often face challenges such as navigating rugged terrain, dealing with unpredictable weather, and the elusive nature of wild donkeys.
Oof.
Do you agree with the approach the Oklahoma Wildlife Conservation Foundation has taken in managing these hunts? If so, please like the video, and if not, share your thoughts in the comments below. Over the past several decades, the coyote invasion in the United States has escalated into a significant problem with widespread economic and ecological impacts that are hard to ignore. With an estimated population of between 2.5 and 3 million, coyotes have spread across the country, leading to increased conflicts with humans, particularly in rural areas. These conflicts have resulted in severe threats to livestock, pets, and even human safety, with annual losses estimated in the millions of dollars. In response, the U.S. government has implemented a range of population control policies, incorporating both traditional and modern hunting methods. But what are these methods and what challenges have they faced? Stay with us to explore these questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. One of the most advanced methods used in the United States to control the coyote population is hunting by helicopter. This modern approach has garnered significant attention, attracting thousands of hunters who are eager to experience this unique form of These hunters have also demonstrated the method's effectiveness, with reports indicating that during a single hour of hunting, they can eliminate between 18 to 25 coyotes. So what do you think are the key requirements for hunters wanting to participate in the thrilling experience of helicopter coyote hunts? To participate in helicopter coyote hunts, hunters must obtain specific licenses which vary by state. These typically include a general hunting license and an additional permit for aerial hunting.
Alright, well, we got a gun jam. We're gonna fix that.
The licensing process often involves coordination with state wildlife agencies to ensure that the use of helicopters aligns with safety regulations and wildlife management objectives. So how many people do you think hunters typically team up with for a successful A standard helicopter hunting team consists of 2 to 4 members, including a pilot, an observer, and 1 or 2 hunters. When hunting from a helicopter, hunters are required to use specialized equipment. This includes high-powered rifles fitted with scopes for precision, hearing protection to guard against the helicopter's noise, and safety harnesses to maintain stability while airborne. Moreover, effective communication is crucial, requiring equipment that enables seamless coordination between the pilot, observer, and hunters to ensure a safe and successful hunt.
I'm heading twice.
However, hunting coyotes by helicopter is not without its risks. A tragic incident in California in February 2024 underscored the dangers involved. Sudden, severe weather conditions arose around 10 a.m., bringing strong winds and heavy rain that drastically reduced visibility and complicated navigation. The helicopter, caught in turbulence, became uncontrollable, eventually crashing into it. Upon impact, the fuel tank ruptured, triggering a catastrophic explosion that consumed the entire aircraft in flames. Tragically, All 4 individuals on board, the pilot, 2 hunters, and the observer, lost their lives, highlighting the perilous nature of aerial hunting in unpredictable weather conditions. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. To address the challenges associated with helicopter coyote hunting, many states across the United States have increasingly turned to rifle hunting as a preferred method for controlling coyote populations. This method is particularly popular in rural areas, where it has a long history of use due to its effectiveness in both accuracy and range. So why is a rifle the top choice for coyote hunting?
North farther, and then where else will? Oh, east on the west side.
Rifles, especially high-powered ones, are favored by hunters for their ability to take down coyotes from a safe distance, ensuring both precision and safety. Popular calibers such as the S223 Remington, 222-250 Remington, and 243 Winchester are commonly used as they provide an ideal balance between accuracy and stopping power, which is crucial for effectively neutralizing coyotes. In addition to choosing the right caliber, hunters often enhance their rifles with advanced scopes, particularly useful in low-light conditions. The use of spotters is also prevalent, allowing hunters to locate and track coyotes from a distance with greater efficiency. Furthermore, electronic calls are sometimes employed to lure coyotes into shooting range, increasing the success rate of the hunt. So have you ever wondered what it takes to legally hunt coyotes in the United States? Legally hunting coyotes in the United States requires hunters to obtain a general hunting license, which is available through state wildlife agencies. In some cases, additional licenses specific to coyote hunting may be required depending on the state. These licenses can be conveniently purchased online through state government websites, at licensed retailers, or directly from wildlife agency offices. The licensing process, while varying slightly by state, generally includes providing identification, completing any necessary hunter safety courses, and paying the required fees. Additionally, coyote hunting seasons vary across the United States, with some states permitting year-round hunting due to the species being classified as a nuisance. In areas with particularly large coyote populations, there may be no population limits, allowing hunters to pursue as many coyotes as possible. This flexibility in hunting seasons and limits is crucial for effective population management, helping to mitigate the impact of coyotes on local communities and ecosystems.
Is it? Must just hurt. Let's go.
There are currently an estimated 2,000 to 2,500 lions in the United States, with their populations concentrated in states like Arizona, Colorado, and California. As these lions increasingly encroach on human habitats, their presence has led to a growing sense of confusion and fear among local communities. So, what specific challenges have lions caused across the United States? Join us as we explore these issues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest information. In the United States, lions are responsible for killing an estimated 800 to 1,000 cattle each year, primarily targeting breeds such as Angus, Hereford, and Holstein due to their prevalence in open pastures and grazing areas. These attacks have resulted in significant financial losses, with farmers across the country collectively facing damages of approximately $5 to $7 million annually. This issue has led to growing concern among farmers who are struggling to protect their herds. So how can us farmers effectively safeguard both their livestock and their economic stability? To deal with the threat of lions, American farmers often rely on fences to protect their livestock. These fences are typically set up around grazing areas and farms in regions where lions are most active, particularly in rural and suburban areas. The fences are usually around 8 to 10 feet high, providing a strong barrier that helps deter lion attacks on cattle. This method brings several advantages, such as reducing livestock losses and offering a simple, cost-effective way to keep lions at bay. However, this solution is only temporary, as the frequency of lions appearing in suburban and even urban areas has increased by about 15 to 20%. This surge has made lion attacks on humans more alarming, with approximately 65 people injured and 24 killed each year. So what should the United States do to protect the safety of its people? In the United States, lion hunting organizations are established to protect people and livestock from lion attacks, with around 500 to 600 hunters participating in these activities annually. To ensure the success of the hunt, they rely on high-powered rifles such as the .36 Springfield or .300 Winchester Magnum, known for their accuracy and stopping power against large predators like lions. The hunting process begins with the tracker, who is responsible for locating the lion by following signs such as paw prints, broken branches, or territorial markings. The tracker uses GPS devices and radios to communicate with the rest of the hunting group, ensuring efficient coordination. Once the lion's location is confirmed, the tracker informs the hunters, who position themselves 200 to 300 yards away from the prey to avoid detection and prevent the lion from fleeing. This strategic distance is crucial in maintaining the element of surprise and ensuring the safety of the hunting group. When the group is in position, the lead hunter takes the primary shooting role, carefully aiming for vital areas such as the heart or lungs to ensure a quick and humane kill. Hunters typically use high-quality binoculars with a range of 500 to 800 yards to enhance their accuracy. If the lion does not fall immediately, the assistant hunter is prepared to take a follow-up shot to prevent the animal from escaping or posing a further threat. The use of these weapons and tools is essential for maintaining precision and ensuring a successful hunt, which in turn reduces the risks to both humans and livestock. Each hunting group usually harvests 1 to 2 lions per hunt, and their results must be reported to local wildlife authorities to ensure proper monitoring and management of the lion population. These coordinated hunting efforts have proven effective, reducing lion attacks on humans and livestock by approximately 25%. By keeping lion numbers in check, These hunting activities help protect both rural and suburban communities from the dangers posed by increasing lion populations. So, do you agree with this method of population control? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below and join the conversation.